The S197 Mustang chassis has been around since 2005, and in my opinion, there's some of the best performance values around. The 11 through 14 cars with the Coyote are an absolute performance beast, and even the 05 through 10 3-valves have great potential and can be had for an absolute steal. Our video channel actually got started doing videos on S197 Mustangs when we got our Gotta Have It race cars back in 2012. Now, there's a lot of new owners to the S197 and are probably wondering where they should get started. Well, in today's first 5 for 5, we're talking about 5 easy modifications you can make to your S197 Mustang, and best of all, each of these can be done for less than $500 a piece. Number 1 on my list is going to be a set of LED marker lights. The LED marker lights are going to really modernize the look of your Mustang, and we have them available for 05 through 09 as well as 2010 through 2014. Best of all, they're less than $70 and easy to install. Next on my list is going to be an axle back exhaust system. Now, a lot of axle backs and cat backs are going to be well over that $500 price point. We have an Accelatech axle back that's going to fit your 05 through 10 3-valve, give it a lot more rumble, and best of all, only costs around $300. Next on my list is going to be a fresh set of headlights. We have a couple different headlight options for your 05 through 14 Mustang. These are the 2018 style shown here. They're going to modernize the look of your car, give you those LEDs along with a projector, so they look better on the car, you have much better visibility when driving, and best of all, these can be had for around $400. Next on my list is going to be an oil separator. And a lot of these cars are getting up in miles now, and keeping those oil vapors out of the intake is a good idea. There's a lot of different styles of oil separators, but most are available for less than $200. Last but not least, number 5 is going to be a set of hood struts. Now, these cars should have come with them, but they didn't. The prop rod gets in the way. The hood struts make it much easier to work on the car, plus they look and work better than the factory setup. Best of all, easy to install yourself and less than $100. S197 Mustangs are still extremely popular, and that's why we have hundreds of videos and thousands of products available for them. But if you're just getting started with your S197, these 5 parts are a great way to get started. They're very affordable, they're easy to install yourself, and best of all, you'll be back on the road in no time.